a paper plate clock. It's very easy that you should also try it at home. So for that we need a paper plate, any tape, any something, sellotape, and then we need something for the clock to move.
This kind of rubber thing we are using.
And then we need a small toothpick like this. We have cutted it. Scissors, sketch pen, ruler, pencil, glue, and color paper. For one color paper, we have to have it full A4 size color paper. So let's start. I forgot something. Bottle cap. So do you know why we need a bottle cap? Okay, I will tell you. First, let us fold this up. First, we have to fold the A4 size paper like a half. Yep, Chris?
Yep.
And then we have to do like this. And then we have to again fold this half again. So we got a big rectangle. Okay. So then how's a pencil? So for the bottle cap, we have to draw 3 circles. For the bottle cap, we can get a correct size of the circle. That's why we need a bottle cap. 1. 3 circles is enough.
Or 4. There are 4. You'll get more than 12 circles.
There are 12 numbers in the clock. Okay, so we have drawn the circles. Now we are going to cut it. Cut. What is it? Cut it. So we have cut it all of them. So now we have 12 circles totally. Now we have to, with a sketch pen, we have to mark 1 to 12. So I have drawn all the numbers.
Here's your coins.
So now we have to stick all these numbers in the clock with the glue. First tell me, give me 12. First give me 12. First give me 12.
Come on, first starting with my favorite there.
And then you have to glue half of the circle here. So that we have to not stick it full. We have to just keep some space like a flower. Then 9. Now we have kept it like a little flower. See guys? So we have kept it like this. We have left some space from here so it look like a flower. Now we have to make the
dryer.
Now we have to make the needles. So we need a ruler and a pencil, and then we are going to keep the big needle little bigger than the small needle. So I am keeping the big needle 6 centimeters. Smaller needle. The smaller needle like 5 centimeters. Two needles like this. Now we're going to cut them. So the first needle we have got the small. Now we have got 2 needles. Now we have to make 2 holes on the plate and on these 2 needles. So now we have made the hole for the plate. Now we are going to make for the hole for this. So guys, I have kept the pin. Now I have also placed in the bag that sponge over there. Now I'm going to tape it so that it will be secure. So I have placed it. Wait, the button got out. So we have stuck it out, and then now our clock can move. Whoever likes it, keep a thumbs up. And I hope everyone tries this clock and send the photos after you make it. Send the photos in the comments below. We will see it. So I hope everyone liked this video. Like and subscribe and share this video with your friends. Bye bye.